Okay, I'm gonna bitch about something. See that car behind me? That car and that one there. Pretty to look at, but I can't drive them. I've insured them. Tanks are full of gas, non-ethanol, and there's one thing that's keeping me from driving them. Is I converted the engines to the GM HEI distributor, which has a module, electronic module, 4 pins. And because they're all made in China by American companies, the standards of those things are so low that the cars stall out on me when I'm going down the road. Now, at least that one right there stalled out in front of my house. But what if I'd been down the road? So I go to Amazon and I order these little electronic modules, that go inside the distributor cap, 4 pin ones and all that. I know how to wire them to the distributor and to the coil. Been doing it for a while now. It's easy to do. You just look it up on the internet and it'll show you how to do it. But I had to push it back into the house, into my yard. I almost had a heart attack. The UPS guy helped me. He stopped his truck and he helped me. And now I'm scared to drive that one out. That one runs great. I mean, literally, it's like an automatic transmission, but it's 3 on a tree. That means the gears, the stick shift is on the steering column. And it's so easy to shift. I mean, it's effortless. But I'm afraid now to take them out. And the weather has gotten nice. It's nice and cool here in the south. And I can't drive my car because of that little Chinese-made electronic 4 pin module. The quality control's gone down. GM doesn't use them anymore, so you can't put them on the. So a long time ago, when we're making parts on the assembly line, if you got some bad parts, they will recall those parts and the manufacturer will make it right. But now those, since they're not being used by GM anymore, and they don't use those distributor caps anymore, those entire distributors, those things they're aftermarket and they're being made by companies, American companies, but lower standards. And by lower standards, it means that they get hot and then they don't run no more and they'll leave you stranded. And it's not just this, it's other stuff too. Entire electronic control modules, the little metal boxes. Well, anyway, so that's where I'm at. Can't drive that. And I'm scared to drive that. So anyways, little bitch section. 3 minutes long. Bye.